What if every single LinkedIn lead could instantly appear inside your HubSpot CRM without you touching your phone? So yes, in this video I'll show you how you can create a B2B lead generation automation where I have created the integration between LinkedIn lead ads and HubSpot CRM. So the objective of this automation is very simple. Whenever a new lead submits a form through LinkedIn lead generation form, the workflow should automatically capture the lead details and instantly create a contact inside HubSpot CRM in real time. And I have done this amazing automation by using Pabbly Connect. See, Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation platform that's helped you to connect and automate multiple applications without writing a single line of code. Using simple workflows, you can automatically transfer data between applications and streamline your entire business process in just few clicks. See, this automation is going to be really beneficial for your business because it eliminates manual data entry, saves times, and helps you to manage leads more efficiently with faster lead syncing. So without wasting any more time, let's start building this amazing workflow. Alright, so this is dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect, but if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and then the sign up process. And you know what is the craziest part? Once you do this, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to purchase this amazing tool with the help of which you can integrate multiple applications based on your own business, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. You have worked hard to build your business. Now let Pabbly handle repetitive works for you so you can focus on the real growth instead of manual tasks. After doing the sign up process, you will reach towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. For creating a new workflow, you have to click on this plus create workflow button. It will provide you three options named create from scratch, create using AI, and create using quick builder. You can go with anyone from it, but I am going to create the workflow by using quick builder. So I am selecting this option and see this Connect AI Studio is going to be appear in front of me. Here you just have to give a simple prompt and it will automatically generate the workflow for you. So I am sending a prompt as B2B lead generation, sync LinkedIn lead gen forms to HubSpot CRM. As soon as I have sent it, it analyzed my request and asking me which LinkedIn trigger should start this workflow. So I am selecting it as a lead notification. Next, it says that which HubSpot CRM action would you like for create contact. So I am selecting it as in create a contact and you will see it automatically creates a workflow for me and asking me for my approval. So I am approving it by clicking on this approve and create button and see it says that workflow created successfully. Now I am going to open this workflow by clicking on this open workflow button and you will see this is how easily you can create a workflow by using Pabbly Connect. I have my both the application name as LinkedIn and HubSpot CRM. Exactly same what I want. After getting the application, now we need to create a connection. For making it, you just have to click on the application and click on this connect button. It will provide you two options. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this. I am making a new one, so I am selecting this option and clicking on this connect with LinkedIn button. Here my LinkedIn account is already logged in, so I am clicking on the sign in button and this is how easily my LinkedIn account is going to be connected with my Pabbly Connect. After that, the sponsored account I am selecting as Pabbly's ads account. See, this is the same account that I am using right now. After selecting it, you will see response format with three options named as simple, advanced, and raw. If you want to receive a response in simple format, then you will select this option. If you want to receive a response in advanced format, just like a flattened key value, structure, data, or an array, then you will go with this option. And when you select the response format as raw, then you will receive the exact JSON that you will receive from the webhook. After that, I am clicking on the save and send test request button and you will see it started waiting for a webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, I am going to take you to my LinkedIn campaign manager. See, this is my LinkedIn campaign manager and this is the ad that I am running right now. So I'm directly going in it. Now I am going to apply on this ad by clicking on this apply now button. See, this is the lead form and I want you to know that I am running this ad in a default mode. That's why the first name, last name and the company name is coming like this. But when you do this, you have to enter these data manually. After filling the form, I am clicking on this submit button and see the form has been submitted successfully. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received any response or not. See, automatically I received a response 3 seconds ago. It contains all the test lead details that I have entered while filling the form. This means that the connection between my LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect is working perfectly. Moving forward, we have our action application as HubSpot CRM. Now for making its connection, just click on the application. After that, click on this connect button. Again, I am making a new connection by clicking on this connect with HubSpot CRM button. After that, I am choosing the account from here and see, this is how easily your HubSpot account is going to be connected with Pabbly Connect. And next, all the fields are going to be appear in front of you. Now in this company name field, I am doing the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this LinkedIn. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes it dynamic, as different users have different data. So for capturing each user's information dynamically, mapping is used. To do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this company name field, I am doing the mapping of company names. It is mapped. After doing the mapping of company name, I am going to do the mapping of email address. Next, in this first name field, I am doing the mapping of this default first name, that is Pabbly, but you just have to map the real name that you were received from your previous application. As I already explained you about this, that I am running an ad in a default mode. After doing the mapping of the user's first name, in this last name field, I am doing the mapping of last name too, and after that the phone number. Here I have mapped, and I want you to know that I mapped only some fields because my objective is only to teach you how you can do the automation by using Pabbly Connect. You can map more data completely based on your own choice. After that, I am clicking on the save and send test request button, and you will see I have received the positive response. Now I'm going to show you my HubSpot CRM by refreshing it. See, automatically a new contact is going to be created inside my HubSpot CRM by the name of Pabbly and full stop, and it includes the email address as the same that I have mapped in this field. So this clarifies that the connection between my HubSpot CRM and Pabbly Connect is working perfectly, and I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. As a new contact is successfully created inside our HubSpot CRM, this means that our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing automation, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing workflow for your own business too. Trust me, it is going to be really very beneficial for you and your business. So go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. To be honest, this is the best tool that I have ever used. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.